Hey guys, today I want to talk a bit about how a feature wall can really transform a space. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we're standing in the foyer and stairwell of a house we just finished renovating. And as you can see behind me, we have this great feature wall detail. And this previously used to just be painted white to match the rest of the walls. And here we incorporated a really bold color, but also a really interesting geometric design within the trim work. Shout out to Michelle at Refresh Design. You did a great job here. So you can see that really creates an interesting attention detail to the eye. And also throughout the space, it really works well with these horizontal railings we've added. We've got a nice hard surface on the stairs. We've matched the top rail of the railing to the flooring, so it looks great and ties in together. And also we've gone and we've converted the stringers on the stairs to a nice white paint grade where it used to be carpeted stairs with carpeted stringers. So it really makes this, cleans it up, gives it a nice modern look, and overall we have this beautiful space, and it really is, the cherry on top is the feature wall. So give that some thought when considering your space when renovating. Don't be afraid to take some risk and make something truly your own. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.